Okay, so the particular clog I had was on a newer GE washing machine. Now, a lot of the washing machines have this particular plug. It's very common to the new style washing machines like front loaders and even some top loaders have this plug here. Right here, this is a front loader, but down below there's this little access panel, and on the right hand side you see the black plug there. You can actually turn that out. Now the key there is you're going to want the washing machine as empty as you can possibly get it, and sometimes you can kind of tilt it back, and that way the water is kind of contained in it, and pull the plug out. Now this one was so crazy in that well, let me just show you here, give you a peek at it. I had to empty all the water out by hand, scooping it out, and because it wouldn't drain at all. And when I pulled out the plug, this is what I found. Now, a normal clog, what you'll find is a sock or something that makes it past and goes down the drain and then just gets caught up in the pump there. And usually you can just clear it there. There is another little bag that sometimes catches stuff that you may have to clear as well, that you'd have to get at from the back of the machine, but it's a little deeper. But here I checked this one out and looked at it. And then I put it back in and went through the whole cycle of it not draining, of course, and going through it. And I see this bag here, that's that bag I was telling you about. Sometimes that's got to be cleared out, pulled off, and taken apart. But on this one, yeah. So I wound up it being so clogged that I had to drain all the water again by hand, pull it out and with a wet dry vacuum, and vacuum it out, vacuum it out, vacuum it out, empty the water in the toilet, and come back over and over again, and then pulled the deal out again, and then looked at that deal a little bit better. And yeah, I thought it was a check valve, but no, that's not supposed to be there. What it was a little milk carton or orange juice cap that you know, proves it's the first time it's been opened. Took that off, put it back together, running like a charm, just like it should be. It's just kind of the craziest fluke that the thing went down there and sat right on the drain opening, and it totally, to me, it looked like a check valve, looked like it should be there, so I put it back together, but nope, that's not supposed to be there. And yeah, you know, usually it's a sock or a pair of underwear or something small, you know, that makes it past there and get stuck in there, and then you can pull it out. And again, sometimes you have to empty the little bag that's inside there. But each washing machine's a little bit different, but a lot of them have this same little deal that you can pull apart. And Maytag gives an error code of A10. Some other washing machines will actually give you an error code that corresponds to the pump being clogged or the bag being clogged. Sometimes you'll find coins and stuff in there that have clogged it up. But you know, if your washing machine's not draining, or if it starts for a little bit and then immediately shuts off, that's one of your first things to check. And this was a washing machine clog, so no big deal. Got it back up and running, pulled a little milk carton thing off there, and that's a done deal. This goes to show you what can happen does happen. There's a better view of the little pump. Yep. Job security. Compact washers and a lot of other washing machines don't actually have that access plug, but you will find it again on some front loaders. The GE washing machine that this one was on was a top load machine, and the plug was actually at the back. So all of them are a little bit different, but if they have that plug, it's a nice access point to be able to unclog things and get things back up and running and back to normal. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. It's always a good idea to have some towels handy and a wet dry vacuum, because these can put out a lot of water. Don't touch anything unless you know what you're doing, because you could really cause a flood, and there's electrocution hazards and everything else. So unplug the machine first and be ready for anything. For other washing machines that don't have the plug, check out my video, Washing Machine Stopped on a Dime. That one will show you how to unclog the pump in other types of washing machines. They're not too bad either.